That was the end of the Tomales Point Trail. It's about 10 miles long. It's a pretty moderate trail. It's moderate on an app called All Trails, which is the one that I use to find trails, and it's like a Google Maps for trails, basically. Yeah, it's pretty moderate trail. The last mile, though, is just pure sand, so you really got to, it's pretty strenuous hike at the end. But besides that, pretty easy. 5 miles back and forth. Get there early. That is indeed the best tip I could give you. Get there early, just because it gets packed. I got there at 7:30 in the morning. There was literally no cars other than me and another person. And I got back to the trailhead around 12:45, 12:48, almost 1 in the afternoon. And it was packed. There was no parking. As soon as I left my parking spot, someone took it. Down the road, about like 2 minutes down the road, there's a beach that has a little bit more parking, but I suggest you get there early. I went on a Saturday, so maybe that had something to do with it, but it gets pretty packed. And I also wanted to get there early just so I could record and shoot with no other people around. But yeah, it gets pretty packed pretty fast. I had a lot of fun filming this video. I liked filming the scenery and the hiking, and just shows you more that goes into a hike than just a picture. So I decided to start recording my hikes, start recording where I go. It's obviously not for everybody. A lot of people don't see the point in watching this video or these types of videos with just cinematography and with music and just hiking, basically silence. But I like it. I like these type of videos. I watch them on my free time while I'm doing homework or when I'm cleaning my room, etc., etc. So a lot of people, this won't be something they're used to, something they'll watch, but it's something I'm going to put out there and something that I'm going to keep pursuing. And if you want to keep watching my videos, liking them, whatever, I really appreciate it. And if you don't, also thank you for sticking around. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much if you're still here. And yeah, hopefully I could go on another hike soon and then upload a video for March. So yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Trail running.